Now let's see how to calculate the work hour duration in Excel. So here let me type the in time, and here out time, and here let me type the duration. Then here I can insert the date. So let me do some formattings for this, and date I'll mark it as maybe 1st January 2020. I don't like this particular formatting, so I'll change it for maybe this one. And I have to type the in time. Let's assume that person came in at 9 o'clock and he left the office at 5 o'clock. I don't like these formattings also, so let me change it. I'll select it, then I'll go to more number formats, then I'll go to this time, I'll give this one. So in time is 9 o'clock, out time is 5 o'clock. If you want to find the duration, simply what you should do, equals out time minus the in time. So you will get your duration in this format. You can change the format again. Click this, go to more number formats. Here you can select the second one, then you can click OK. So here you can see the work duration is 8 hours. So let me take it for another one day. So I'll change the date to maybe 2nd January. He came to office maybe at 9:50 and he left the place maybe at 6:25. So on that particular day he has worked for 6 hours and 35 minutes. So how to find the duration in Excel? Very simple, out time minus the in time. So this is how you can find the worked hours duration in Excel within few seconds. Now let me show you how to calculate the age in Excel. So the formula that you have to use, equals dated if.